Getting started with your JIMMIL speaker. JIMMIL is more than just a Bluetooth speaker. It lets you enjoy music and supports instant push-to-talk communication. After receiving your speaker, we recommend charging it before first use. A charging cable is not included in the package. Please use a 5V to a USB power adapter for charging. You can use a standard USB charging cable and phone charger. Do not use chargers specifically designed for other electronic devices. The status indicator remains solid red while charging. When charging is complete, the indicator turns solid green. The speaker supports fast charging. About 10 minutes of charging provides most of the battery capacity. A full charge takes approximately 20 minutes. If you purchased the optional magnetic clip or retractable lanyard, install it before using the speaker. Please note that both the magnetic clip and retractable lanyard are optional accessories and are not included as standard. The magnetic clip features a detachable design. The retractable lanyard further reduces the risk of accidentally dropping the speaker during outdoor activities. If you have two Valley Edition speakers, power on both speakers, then double press the PTD button to enter direct intercom mode. Once both speakers have switched to direct intercom mode, wait until the status indicator turns white. The speakers are now ready for direct intercom communication. JIMMIL speakers feature built-in prompt tones. Next, press and hold the power button to turn on the speaker. Then enable Bluetooth on your phone. Find the device whose name begins with JIMMIL, then tap to connect. Next, we'll walk you through the speaker in 4 sections. First, let's look at music modes. JIMMIL offers 2 groups of features. The first group is music mode, which includes 3 playback modes. Standalone mode. A single speaker plays music independently. This is the default mode for everyday listening. Stereo mode. Turn on both speakers. Double press the power button on both speakers. The speakers will switch to stereo mode. The 2 speakers will automatically pair. After a few seconds, you'll hear a confirmation tone, indicating that stereo pairing is complete. Connect either speaker to your phone. The 2 speakers automatically create dedicated left and right audio channels. Enjoy a wider and more immersive stereo sound. Multi-speaker mode. Switch one speaker to multi-speaker mode and connect it to your phone. Then switch the remaining speakers to multi-speaker mode. Multiple speakers will automatically synchronize and play the same music simultaneously. This mode is ideal for camping, parties, and other group activities. Double press the power button to cycle through the music modes. Standalone mode, stereo mode, multi-speaker mode. In addition to music mode, JIMMIL also supports 2 communication modes. The first is direct intercom mode. Press and hold the PTD button to speak. Release the button to transmit your voice message. Using direct intercom mode. Step 1. Double press the PTD button. Switch to direct intercom mode. Check the status indicator to confirm the current mode. Step 2. Make sure both speakers are set to the same channel. Both speakers must be on the same channel to communicate. If the channels are different, switch them to the same channel first. Double-click the scroll wheel to change channels. Maximizing communication range. During use, avoid covering the antenna area to achieve the best communication range. The second is app intercom mode. When the speaker is connected to your phone, open the JIMMIL app, press and hold the on-screen PTD button and start communicating through the app. Using app intercom. Step 1. Download the app. Android users can scan the QR code to download and install the app or search for it in the Google Play Store. iPhone users can download it directly from the App Store. Step 2. Open the app for the first time. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the required permissions. We recommend allowing all permissions to ensure all features work properly. Step 3. JIMMIL Radio. You can start using the app immediately in guest mode. The home page also features JIMMIL Radio. It is a public channel where you can chat and share experiences with other JIMMIL users. You can also contact JIMMIL customer support for assistance. Our support team will respond as quickly as possible. Press and hold the PTD button to speak. Step 4. Bind your speaker. Open the devices page. Once the speaker is connected to your phone via Bluetooth, it will be bound automatically. After binding, you can view the device name, firmware version, battery level, and other device information. Step 5. Lock Screen PDD. After enabling Lock Screen PDD, you can start talking instantly even when your phone is locked. This feature is especially convenient for outdoor activities. Step 6. Create a channel. Sign in or create an account using Quick Sign In. Tap the plus icon in the upper right corner to create a new channel. Enter a channel name, then complete the channel. Press and hold the channel to copy the invitation link and share it with your teammates. They can join the channel simply by opening the link. Step 7. Channel Management. Pin your favorite channels. Mute channels. Or disband a channel when needed. Step 8. Device Settings. Open Device Settings to access additional features, including EQ presets. Customize the speaker's sound to match your listening preferences. Bass enhancement. Power saving mode. Firmware update. And detailed device information. Next, let's go over the button controls. The speaker has only 3 buttons: power button, scroll wheel, PTD button. Press the power button once to power on the speaker. Press and hold the power button to power off. After the speaker is powered on, double press the power button to cycle through the music modes. Scroll wheel. Rotate the scroll wheel to adjust the volume. Double click the scroll wheel to skip to the previous or next track. Press and hold the PTD button to speak. Release the button to transmit your voice message. To switch communication modes, double press the PTD button to toggle between direct intercom mode and app intercom mode. In addition to everyday operation, JIMMIL also provides several convenient shortcuts. If you want to connect a different phone or your Bluetooth connection becomes unstable, quickly press the power button 3 times. The current Bluetooth connection will be disconnected automatically. Quickly press the power button 4 times to restore the factory settings. Quickly press the PTD button 3 times to cycle through the available EQ presets. Choose the sound profile that best matches your listening preference. If the speaker stops responding, press and hold the scroll wheel. The speaker will restart automatically. That completes the Getting Started guide for your JIMMIL intercom speaker. As new features become available, we'll continue to provide more tutorials and user guides.